Would you believe that this delicious glass-like candy actually comes from this sugarcane growing in the field?
Today, I'm taking you inside the factory. Watch how we go from the farm and see how this hot molten lava transforms into these beautiful candies.
Stretching for miles, these fields represent the labor of many, harvesting the sweet crop under the intense sun.
Hey, get this side. All right, bringing it up. Quick, before the light goes.
Stop. Before we crush this into juice, hit that subscribe button to enter the factory right now.
Now, we turn this simple juice into hot, molten lava. Smash the like button if you are ready for the heat.
This is the most satisfying part of the whole video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the magic loop.
We are about to cut 1,000 candies in 1 second. Comment your favorite flavor and let's go!
Tastes as good as it looks. Which flavor is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for the next tour. See ya!